everyone, good evening. Peace be with you. So, I'm still working. This is the kind of work I have here in the country where I am. But there is a person trying, asking money for payment. What I have credit from you. My God. You didn't shame to yourself? You are telling liars. You are telling lies in the whole world. You are a great pretender. Do you think I am observing of you? When I see your photos, oh my God, I feel you have like this one. Only this one is nothing, not at you. But if you have this one, ha, you are number one. I hope you are gone in this world. All of you. If they don't believe in me, it's none of my problem. Those women who say that makililimos ko balang araw, oh my God, it's not happen. Yung sinabi mo na your husband is a captain, oh my God, I want to telling you, once the God hingiin yung kapalit ng ginawa mo, one blank of the eye, I am telling you that if God give you the punish of what you have done in your life,